On October 6, 2008, two physically challenged Canadian citizens were heading towards the Everest with some of their helpers. They were inspired by the panorama of nature, whose awesome beauty is neither exhausted at a single glance, nor is one ever satisfied by seeing. Way to Everest. The Everest, discovered by Triangularia in 1856, was included in the World Heritage List in 1976. In the Sagarmatha National Park, there are many other peaks like Lhotse, Natsei, Amadablam, Pumori and many others, besides the 8,848 meters high Mount Everest. How do we reach the Everest? There are two routes from Kathmandu that easily take one to the base camp. Taking a bus to Jiri and walking for 10 days on foot, taking a 40 minutes flight to Lukla and walking for 4 days on foot. Taking a bus to Jiri and walking for 10 days on foot. One has to cross at least 10 mountain ranges to reach the base camp for the Mount Everest. This way, a tourist has to cross at least 4 districts, Kavri Palancho, Sindhu Palcho, Dolakha and Ramechhap to reach Lukla from Kathmandu. One has to take a bus for Jiri from the new bus park of Kathmandu. The beautiful peaks with snow-clad tips, the waterfalls that embellish the mountains with silver fountains, the way on the first day takes us to a place called Shivalaya. The place has been named so after a temple of Lord Shiva that stands there.
82 सालमा स्थापना भएको 82 कसले स्थापना गर्नु यो चाहिँ अघि अब खमध्वज बिर्खध्वज भन्ने दुई भाइले स्थापना गरे भक्तजन भनेको तीजमा अलिअलि आउँछन् तीजमा पञ्चमी 30 पञ्चमी यस्तै अघिपछि शिवरात्रिमा अलि थोरै थोरै मुख्य चाहिँ भनेको एउटा तीजमा हो यहाँ अलिकति मेला लाग्ने र भव्य जन हुने.
Starting from Shivalaya, one reaches Kinja passing through Chuchure, Deurali and Changma Bhandar, situated at a height of 2,194 meters. The next day, one can scale a distance from Kinja to Ringmo. June Beshi refreshes one with a delicious meal accompanied by the picturesque Himalayan landscape. The way, one can also avail the view of animal rearing. Sheep are reared for meat and wool and mule for carrying loads. Mule, yak and horses are used in these mountainous regions to carry loads. One can enjoy horse ride for $100 per day too. On the fourth day, one can reach Kharikhola, crossing Dakshindu, 3,200 meters, and Noonthala from Ringmo. Rhododendron with a beautiful display of its youthful blossoms and the thick pine undergrowth that forms a green canopy in the highland add charms to the nature's superb beauty. Dudhkoshi sings far away among the slopes, where from its milky flows display a romantic hum. When Dudhkoshi strikes huge stones that lie along its way, a beautiful display of thick, milky foam emerges that whirls around in a flowery turnabout. Stunted bushes flank a side of the cobbled trail, while the other side is enveloped by tall pine and bhojpatra trees. This makes this place a destination for people who want to affirm their conviction that Nepal has been ethereally endowed with unparalleled beauty. A journey on foot along this route is handsomely rewarded with incomparably beautiful landscapes that prodigally manifest the magic of nature. In Nepal, foreign tourists are required to acquire the state's permission for the journey. In 1996, the Sagarmatha zone had 10,169 tourists traveling on foot. In 2000, the number rose to 25,000. The on-foot travelers journeying this part of the nation include the nationals of Britain, USA, Japan, Germany, and France. On the fifth day, a traveler arrives at Lukla. Planes flying from Lukla to Kathmandu appear as though they were toy planes. Children often let go from a passage between two hills. This gives an onlooker an estimation of where Lukla is. Along this route, some places have good schools, computer institutes, and well-equipped laboratories. But there are some places that have not been blessed by the most fundamental of life's requirements.
मैले 19 वर्ष अहिले 2 वर्ष अस्ताइ खाए 17 वर्ष चाहिँ स्थायी पुरा भइसक्यो र कपडाको चाहिँ समस्या छ उनीहरूलाई जाडो समयमा आउन जान बाटोघाटोको अलिकति समस्या छ तपाईको राम्रो पुल छैन बाढी पहिरोको डर छ बर्खामा
Lukla is a tableland situated at a height of 2,834 meters. It is at an air distance of around 40 minutes, paying some $50. The Lukla airport was built in 1964 by Sir Edmund Hillary. On the sixth day, a tourist can reach Namche from Lukla. Looking up from Bimkar, one has the sense that the western slope of the steep Thamserku hill, half hidden in the cloud, is hanging right from one's forehead. The slow-moving zephyr has not yet forgotten to discharge sweet kisses on the tender cheeks of smooth, snow-clad hills. The cloud appears in a myriad of colors, white at times and red a while, forcing the nature to embroider itself with brilliant display of polychrome hue. Manjo and all other guest houses and lodges serve boiled water, hot drinks and delicious meals of different varieties. The Everest View Hotel at Seangboche is at a height of 13,000 feet from the sea level and is globally known as the hotel at the highest altitude. Businessmen run private hydroelectric systems for their tourism business.
ऊ तल खोलामा छ सानो टबेन